Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am absolutely excited to show you something incredible today. If you are involved in education management, student administration, or you are building educational software, this video is going to blow your mind. Today I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of a revolutionary educational management system that I've been working on. This isn't just another student management app, but is a complete ecosystem that handles everything from student enrollment to advanced result analytics, multi-level ranking systems, and professional report generation. If you look at all these menus, the dashboard menu, you will see this is the state admin. This is the state admin dashboard. Where the state admin manages role users, and then look at it. So many wonderful features. I've added some following my previous video tutorial. I decided to improve on some features, or to add some features to these applications, like the watermark, the result template, the cumulative result for calculating the first time, second time, and third time cumulative result report. So today, like I said, we will be looking at multi-year administrative roles, the advanced student result management, professional template systems, read times and analytics, multi-level ranking system, the print optimized output, and so much more. Before we dive in, we find this valuable. If you find this valuable, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Share cutting-edge development tutorials like this regularly. All right, let me give you the big picture first. This system is designed for state-level education management, but the architecture is so flexible that it can be adapted for any educational institution. So how it's structured is we have the state level administration. So the state level administration complete the system oversight. Template, it has if we come to the state level, this is the state level admin. So this is look at all the features of state level admin. So the features are the dashboard menu. You see the dashboard menu. The state admin can create new LGA. State admin can as well. So the state admin can review, approve or reject word submissions. So this is where the system was so that we are in such a way that we have different rules. We have the state admin rule, the state officer, the ward officer, the local government officer. So we have the state officer, the local government officer in that hierarchy, down to the ward officer. So the state admin, this is state admin dashboard. So this is the interface of the state admin. So the state admin can review, look at where it can review student submissions. So if you come here, the state admin can review the student submission. Presently, you can see submissions here from each ward's student review. So it can approve or reject the submission. So this is how it's structured. So we have the state level administration, the local government administration, which is that supervises the whole region, which has the local government officer supervises takes a regional oversight and the school coordination as well, and then carries out performance monitoring. The ward administration, if you come here, let me open the ward admin. This is the ward admin. Okay, this is local government admin. So you can see the local government administrator. So the local government officer manages wards. So from here now, the local government officer can determine the total number of wards, the total schools, total students, the average performance so far in that particular LGA. Then these are the wards, area wards, the number of schools, the student. You can view these details. So the LG officer will come here to view the ward information and the performance overview to the schools in area ward for this particular school. You can see the submission so far, 4 students submitted, and these are still pending for approval. So you can view the view details of each schools, and then let's go back to okay, good. So the LGA officer also can also look at the school, manage all schools in each LG, in each of the wards. So this particular ward is this particular LGA is Erie North LG. So he or she can search for the schools, then view details, and then look at the total number of student entries. Now, let me log out this LG officer and then log in with the ward officer. What makes this special is the intelligent rule separation. Each level has a specific permissions and capabilities, ensuring data security while maintaining operational efficiency. So the systems handles everything from a single student checking their result to statewide performance analytics across thousands of schools. So if you come at the state admin dashboard, this is where the magic happens. Happens for system-wide management. If you look at this beautiful clean interface, the dashboard immediately gives you the dashboard immediately gives you the real-time statistics, the total students, the total schools, active sessions, the performance overview, and recent activities. So the user management is powerful. If you look at the user management here, from here, the state admin can add users. So you can add users, then assign them to the LGA. Please, these data are not real data. Please, YouTube, don't bring down my video. They are for demonstration purposes. Please, they're not real data. Now, so in the user management here, the state admin can assign full name to any of the user. It could be the role. You can assign role to the LG admin or ward admin, then provide the password and then create the user. The permission system is granular. For example, a ward admin can only see school in their ward, while an LG admin can only see ward in their local government area. I think I've shown you that. So, like this guy here, Chairman Weke, is from this LGA area north and working in this particular ward area. This ward has been assigned to her. So if we come to the state admin, well, let's look at the schools. So if you look at the school, we can see that all schools across the state, their locations, student count, and performance metrics. So we can filter by LGA, by ward, and by performance. So we can filter by LGA, by ward, or so let us say we are want to search for this school here. It could be this school, Eziama. So we come here, then if you enter the search for the school, it will filter you can see this. So far so good. The no student in that particular school, and this LG area not. All right, you can also view detail, can edit or delete. We can also add a new school. It's straightforward. Just fill in the details, assign it to the correct word, and it is immediately available in the system. So very wonderful interface. Very, very awesome. Very awesome. You can even compile for the whole state, whether being private or public schools, whatever. Assign them. You can give the principal name, full name, select the school type, and what have you. Here is one thing that get really that's exciting: the template management system. And this is probably one of the most advanced features I've ever built. The other time I discussed about the result aspect of this interface, where the students can access their results. Now, this particular result template, if you look at this beautiful templates, we have different columns. Let us open the template. You see, so this is where the admin can select a template they are to use for checking of for the student to use it when they are assessing their result. So you can see these are templates that have different color schemes. We have the professional blue, the academic green, the royal purple, the compact professional. And here is the crazy part. Everything is customizable through this intuitive interface. So you can customize it. When you come here, if you want to choose this professional template, you can see now, this is where you can customize the template, the layout. Even the printing aspect, print optimization, so that you can configure how the result will appear when printed. So you can see the setting. I see all these settings, so you don't need to start writing CSS coding or code to properly make your print to bring out a better print layout. So look at the UI. Just use this UI, and then you have your good result. You can see. So let's demonstrate this. If let's go to the student result checking portal. This is what I mean. The student now access, let's say this is the source code given by the student from the word admin. And let's say we are selecting this term, first term, check result. Good. So you can see this particular, look at this one. Look at the result. Wonderful. Now, if you look at the background watermark, this is this background watermark, and this one is the text is saying confidential. We can adjust this background watermark here from the state admin. Come to the state admin dashboard. Go to watermarks. Now we are using this particular confidential. This is where we manage watermark for student result sheet. So we can disable this. You can deactivate this, and then we can make use of this Boomer State official watermark. So when you activate it, let's go to the student portal. Let's refresh the page. You can see now. Wonderful. So you see, this is where you adjust the watermark. So same thing with the CSS printing styling. We can also come to the result template and do whatever you want to do here, and it will automatically update. So whatever you can choose any of the theme you want. Any of the theme you can select. So, and so like I've told you, you can also create a template if you don't want that type of template, this type of result template. You can also create your own template here. You create your own template. You can create your template. You can see template. So this template where you create, you can preview the template. You preview how it will look like on print preview. So on the web also form. You can see the typography controls, the header font sizes with live sliders. So as you are doing it, you'll be seeing it in real life. So that's how it works. So you can do whatever you do. This is 16, 17, 18 bits. So it will be, you will see it in real life. Now, we have so many things to cover, so many features. This is not a one-day tutorial. I hope to come up with another useful additional tutorial on this. So we have, like I've told you, after the topographic controls, the other font sizes to line slider, table font sizes, the print specific font adjustment, line height controls, the layout options. So the border styles and the width, the spacing control. You can see all these things. So you customize to your own taste. So the print optimization, this is insane. So the paper size, you can see now the paper size is A4. You can adjust it to A3, A4, A3, letter, lega. You can select any of the paper size you want. The orientation control, you can change this into, you can see the landscape, you can see the live preview. You can change it to landscape, you can make it a portrait. So the custom margin with unit support, the print specific font sizing, and the so many things you can see there. So this is where you operate on the, you can even remove the watermark if you don't want the watermark. If you want to prevent print break, you can do that. So all this UI, very awesome. Very, very, very awesome. So, and if you come to the performance tab, I've told you, I said this performance. So we can, this is where we get the detailed performance from school by school. I love this interface so that where we can now reward excellence. This is where we can now say, okay, this student Mary Smith, okay, across all the school 10 performing student overall, you can now look at this 78.8% average out of all the in that in this school. And I think it's the also, if you look at the LGA level, area not, and see, okay, this is the average for this school. Then top performing LG, that's it. You can see the top performing LG and the schools. So you can see that the very key, the very performance summary, I mean the detailed analytics summary table. Well, very, very wonderful. Very, very, very wonderful. So and the best part is that everything updates in real time. So just like what you have watched the result template, everything updates in real time. So you come here, if you come to the Word admin, it will update. Whatever you do there, it will at the admin level, you have the preview update immediately, and it will reflect on the student side. So this is a professional grade template management that you would expect from enterprise software. And if you look at the student result management, the student check portal where they check their results. So the student here can also print their results. Let's go to the back search. Student also can also, let's say this student want to access the third term result. When you click the third term, okay, let's select the third term. When you click the third term, you can see the third term. So this is the third term report where we can, this is the third term result. This is for this term. Yeah. Then if you want to get the summary, third term summary for that student, you get the fourth term summary. You can see all these cards here. You can adjust them from the state admin. All these things you can use the live what they call it, the CSS template. Let's edit this template. You can come here to the third term summary ranking system to adjust the styling of the result page for this particular third term page. You can adjust the page. All right, let us I'll be switching to the Word admin account to show you how the result management works at the operational level. So let's go to the Word admin dashboard. This is where the admin can generate code. This URL is where admin can generate the codes for the students. You can see now. So each Word admin has their own separate page where they can generate their source code. So the source code will be part of the credentials that will be used to assessing the student that will be given to the student to assess their result. So they will use their student ID, so also with their source code to access their result. This will be the URL for generating such a code. Now let's move to the, I think, Word admin. So let me go to the Word admin dashboard. Now you can see the Word admin dashboard. Like I've said in the previous video tutorial, I said we can also, this is the overview, this really quick action. Now from here the Word admin officer can manually enter the student details. So Word admin here can manually enter the student detail. So you have something like this. Okay, it's wrong. It said I should enter the valid LGID. So before you manually enter student detail, you must first of all enter the valid LGID. So that can see now. So once you enter the valid, and you can see the wizard. So we are in this position 2. So we can proceed. This is particular word, and we have 2 schools assigned to this ward officer. So let's say we are want to add student details to this new era secondary school. Proceed to add students. So we are in stage 3. Then where we can now enter the name of the student. So let's say I want to enter Amanda Kelvin. Amanda Kelvin. Something like that. Then JSS1, maybe you can make it JSS3. You add to roster. Go again. Let's say Kingsley White. These are fake data. It's not real data. They are not real data. They are just fake data for demonstration purposes. So let's say for SS1, you add. You keep adding. Then you go and then you click submit, put roster to approval. So once you submit this roster, it goes to the state admin for approval. So they are sent to the state admin for approval. All right. So when we have said, we submit it. We want to submit this information. It goes to the state approval for approval. The state admin now approve it. Then the student is properly registered. Then the Word admin dashboard is focused on operational tasks. That's a student enrollment, just like student enrollment, and result submission. So result submission. So let us look at like this is manual and the manual way of entering the student enrollment. But you can, instead of this manual way, you can bulk upload. So we can come here, you download this template, follow this guide. You can see the file format requirements. Then you select the school. Then leave it default, because it's going to pick up the classes in from the content from the CSV. So you upload, and then it will be uploaded. Then let me go back to, okay, you can see, you can view school result collation. So it's only, so far so good. Now we have about 5 results total. Okay, 14 total students in this ward, 2 total school. Each ward officer have their own ward statistics. So everybody have their own different ward statistics. So we have made 5 result submission. We have total school. We have 1 pending submission here. I think this is the pending submission. We can view this submission. You can see this information. Like I've told you, I said the student ID for JSS starts with 5, while that of SS starts with 2. So if you submit a result and this result is still pending for approval, you can still come here and then edit the student details. You can edit the student details. Like if I come here in this JSS1, and if I select SS1 and then click save changes, the ID will change. This ID will change and start with 2. Okay, let's see for Paul now. It will, okay, let's see. Good, let's go back. You can see now, Paul, the ID for SS1. So it's 2. So this is where you can edit. Now, this edit mode can be done when the state admin has not approved the result. As soon as the state admin approve the submissions, then you cannot because this submission is pending approval. So once they are approved, there's no editing. All these things cannot be edited. All these student details cannot be cannot be editable. So one is changing the student class level will automatically change their student ID. So JSS class, JSS1, JSS3 have ID starting with 5, while SS class, SS2 have ID starting with 2. So important, ensure that when final submission has been made, no more editing of student details will be allowed. So you can see now, you can delete the selection, you can delete. You can click delete everything. So let's clear the selection. So we still have one pending submission and they are editable. All these ones are locked because they have been approved already. So these schools, this is this give you information about what is like the total number of schools in that system, in this LGA. Schools in this ward, which is 2. All right. So the student by session, you can view student by session. If you come here now, let's say you want to select this school. I think we are still in 2024, and the academic year starts on September 27th of every year with the first term. So each academic session is labeled with the starting and ending year. So this functionality works so that ward officer can only add student collate result only for that particular session, for that particular term and session. So you cannot go for future session, you cannot go edit a previous session. So you collate the result, and for the first time you collate the result, the second time you do the same thing, third time then the state officer will come here to get the aggregate. This is where the state officer, the cumulative state officer generate and manage cumulative academic result across term. So we have I think there is a subject limit by class level. Each maximum number of subjects allowed for JSS1 is 11 subjects, JS2 is 11, JS3 is 11, while SS1 is 16, SS2 and SS3 cannot go more than 9 subjects. So this is where the state admin can generate cumulative results. So when it comes to this session, you load the current session, this thing will automatically update itself. So the scope, let's say you want to get if it's entire estate, good. If for the specific LG or for specific ward, let's say specific LG, you come to here and select the LG. Let's say we're working on this area not. You generate the cumulative. You can say wonderful. So we will get a clear overview of what is happening in area not. You can see the student with the best student in average, which average this child peak though, which is 2.5. I think not peak though. Okay, this just okay, this just giving the overview. Okay, you can see the total score, their average. Okay, you can see the subject performance overview. Oh, wonderful. This is very awesome interface. So you can have your words, you manage your LG, where the admin can manage LGA, word, bulk upload word, add new word. Can also, for each LGA, can also view and edit. If you want to edit, you can edit. You can edit and change the LGA code. All right. So this is a very wonderful interface. Very wonderful project. Awesome project. So let's go back to the word admin. So word admin now, if the word admin want to collate let's go back. Let's say word admin now, result collation. And result collation is meant for those that I can see the workflow. The workflow is so that before you collate so the workflow is so that before you can enter any result, that student must have been properly registered and their details approved. So let's look at a student that has been approved by the admin. Let's see this. We have worked on this one in the previous tutorial. let's check this Miriam Smith. Okay, so let's say we want to submit the exam scores to the state admin officer for approval. So we come to the result collation. This is where we collate a result for the student in each schools and ward. So we select the class. Now this is JSS1 class level. See what is happening. Let's say for JSS1 I enter a wrong code, validate subject. It can give me warning, and automatically it gives me warning. It said physics is senior secondary subject, but you selected junior secondary JSS class JSS1. Please verify this correct before proceeding. So let's say I enter that child results, and they say 23, and you can see the code is a different code. Let's say 45, add results. It will not add. You can see the error because there's a mismatch of subject code entry. What a wonderful interface. Very awesome. So you can only compile the correct student. Let's go back to the back dashboard. Let's view let's say this is the child JSS1. You can see the child JSS, so it's JSS1. So we need to use a proper subject code for this Miriam Smith. So we go back to dashboard. All right. Result collation. Class JSS1. We confirm the class level. We enter, and this is the subject code. The subject code will be given to the ward officer for them to help to aid them in collating the student results. So let's say BST001 should be for basic tech, validate subject, which is a proper subject for basic science and technology for this class. So we have, let's enter the student ID. We enter the CA. Let's say the CA is 24. Exam is 45. When we add, it will add to the roster table. Awesome interface. Awesome. We can submit the result and it will go to the admin's officer's table. Very clean interface. For state education department, centralized management of our schools, this feature helps us to standardize the result format and performance monitoring across regions. Resource allocation insight. For school administrators, streamline result management, professional result presentation, and reduce administrative overhead. It helps to improve the parent communication and enhance student tracking. For student and parent, easy result access, professional result presentation, comprehensive performance insight, multi-level ranking information, and historical performance tracking. The key benefit of this application is 90% reduction in administrative time, 100% accurate result calculations, and professional presentation quality. The real-time performance insight and the scalable to any size institution. Scalable to any size institution. Yes, of course. Scalable to any size institution, be it missionary, state, or whatever, what have you. And it's very cost-effective solution, and easy to use and maintain. And moreover, it makes use of one of the most robust applications, technology, Laravel. So it is safe and secure, and can handle as hundreds of thousands of student information without affecting the system performance. This system is continuously evolving And there are some exciting features that is coming soon. I'm looking at creating the mobile application, the parent portal with notifications, advanced analytics with AI insights, integration with learning management systems, automated report generation, multi-language support, and advanced security features, cloud deployment options. So the development is ongoing, and I'm always adding new features based on users' feedback and educational needs. Wow. Wow, we have covered a lot in this video, and this educational management system represents the future of education administration. So what you have seen so far is a complete multi-tier administrative system, advanced template management with real-time customization, professional result presentation, multi-level ranking system, and comprehensive analytics. The print optimization, the robust security, and the scalable architecture. If you are interested in implementing this system in your institution or want to contribute to its development, here is how you can reach me via my email handle. And don't forget to like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe for more educational technology content. Share with anyone who might benefit. Thank you so much for watching, and this has been an incredible journey showcasing this revolutionary education management system. The future of education admission is here, and it's more powerful and user-friendly than ever before. I will see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into advanced development techniques. Until then, keep coding and keep learning and keep building amazing things. Thank you.